So, how do you crop an element here in Kittl? Well, the short answer is you can't. Now, most elements here in Kittl are SVGs, so if we click on this, we can see that up here in the right hand corner because we can change all of these colours. Now, there is an exception to this for things like shapes because we can just crop these directly, but to usually crop an image, we just double click. Now, the workaround to cropping elements here in Kittl is to download this as a PNG. So if we come to download, click on PNG or even JPEG, we're just going to remove the background and optimize quality. We're going to download that and then we're going to re-upload this here in Kittl. So now if we take that image and drag it directly onto the page, just like this, what we can now do is double click on this image, which was an element, and then we can crop. So now if we exit this, that has now been cropped. So that's the little workaround that you can do to crop any element that you can find here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.